Hi! In this video, you will learn how to take a static picture like this and make it into a dynamic video image like this. Or if you want a variation of this beautiful moonlight video, you can have a morning sunset scene like this. By the way, I took this image from pixabay.com when I searched for a random image of a window. While doing the search, I also found this other image and I really found it to be quite interesting. So I thought of doing something with it. So I took another image like this and I tried to make this dynamic like this. Isn't this beautiful? The best part is you can even take a photo like this and make it dynamic like this or like this. The technique you're about to learn is quite versatile and it can really open up some creative possibilities for you. So let us jump right in and learn how to convert static images into dynamic images like this in PowerPoint. But before that, I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery program, which is an easy to follow, comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program. The link is in the description box below the video. Let us start from scratch by downloading the image from pixabay.com. As I told you, this is the image that I downloaded. The next step is to punch a hole here in the space that is seen here. How do you do that? It's extremely simple. All you need to do is to select the image, go to picture format, go to remove background, and that will create this kind of an image. You can see that whatever is in this pink color is assumed to be the background. So if I have to click outside, this is what I get, but that is not the result that I am looking for. So I need to make some changes to the areas that need to be included and the areas that need to be removed. So let us select this, go to picture format once again, go to remove background. And this time I'm going to say mark areas to keep. So I'm going to just draw around all this area. So PowerPoint knows that these are all the areas that I actually want to keep and these need not be considered as a background. So I'm doing this in a very quick and rough way. You just need to draw lines in this pink area. So you are teaching PowerPoint to consider them as part of the image that you want. That is as much. And here let us draw the line. So all the areas around this main area are actually claimed back as part of the image. Now I'm going to claim this portion as well, which was accidentally marked as the background. Now I need to say which are the areas that need to be removed. So let me go here to mark areas to remove, click on it, and you can see that your cursor turns into a crayon. Now I'm going to tell PowerPoint that this is the area that I want removed. Beautiful. And I also want this area to be removed, and that is done. So you can see, since I have already ensured that the remaining areas are part of the image, I don't really have to do much. I just need to say keep changes and that portion is removed. So the first part is ready. Now I see that this light background needs to be matched with this black color here. So I can right click, go to format background and say, let us go to eyedropper and click on this black, and therefore everything remains the same. Now let us insert a video. I found this beautiful video of moonlight and some very interesting animation. I will leave a link to this in the description box below, so you can also try with the same video. It is called Moon, Night, Trees, Sky, Forest. Let us download this. You don't need to use something this big, like say 31.1 MB. Even a small video like say 6.1 MB is more than enough for us. I have copied the image and I'm going to paste it right on top of this, and this is the area that I want to cover. So let us select this video and then make some small changes to the playback. You go to the playback tab. Instead of start in click sequence, you say automatically, and you also check this option called loop until stopped, and then right click on this video and say send it to back. Now this video will play automatically as soon as I go into the slideshow. So when I go to slideshow, you can see that we have this beautiful animation, and now I can write whatever I want here. This kind of an effect is extremely handy if you want to make some e-greetings or some motivational poster or anything where it is important to draw the viewer's attention to the image you have on one side. Now the video of the sunset that you see here is also taken from pixabay.com, and this is the video that I took from Pixabay. And for this image from pixabay.com, I did exactly the same thing as I did earlier. I went to picture format, went to remove background, and I removed this portion. And as soon as this portion is cleared, all I had to do is to stick a video right behind this. So through the window, I could see the video. And the result is this when I used the same video here. Now, what did I do in this case? I have a photo. I used a different technique to remove the areas that I see here, here, and here. Instead of using a remove background option, which was slightly difficult in this case because there are quite a few color overlaps, I decided to use shapes and then cut some portions away. For example, I went to shapes, and here in lines I could see this option here called as freeform shape. So I clicked on it and I clicked on this portion here and clicked again on this portion, and then here, here, here. Now you can see that this is the area that can be punched out. And if at any point of time you see certain gaps that need to be filled, all you need to do to redraw the edges of this is to right click on the same image and say edit points. Now you will get these black squares which you can always move like this, or you can also use these handles that you see here to make the adjustments. Once you are happy with the selection, then you click outside. Now you select the picture first, hold the shift button down and select this image that you drew. And then all you need to do is to go to shape format, merge shapes, and say shape subtract. Now that particular portion is punched out. So whatever you place behind that will show through the photo. I did the exact same thing to punch out holes here, here, as I mentioned earlier. And once I did that, I just had to stick a video in the background, and this is the result. And this is another video playing in the background, and as long as the colors from the video are matching the image in the photo, then the whole thing looks very harmonious. Of course, I used my text boxes to write this text and make this into an e-greeting. Techniques like these are not really taught in any of the traditional books and courses, and that is the reason why Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program is such a unique resource. It is a collection of 34 different courses packaged into one, which cover pretty much every aspect of PowerPoint that you need to know and make you a creative user of PowerPoint rather than the traditional boring user of PowerPoint. The link to this product is in the description box below the video. Click on the link and check out more details. In the meantime, if you are interested in learning another picture animation tutorial, you have the link right here on your screen. You just need to click and watch that video next. If you want to join our 5-day free email course called 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas, you can click on the link that you see here. I share 25 useful and simple PowerPoint ideas that you can use in your next business presentation. So go ahead, click on the link, join the course, and I will see you inside.